Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. I just finished the assembly of my Cobra, what do you call this, inverter. The rating is 1,500 watts. So what I did is that for the operation to be a success, I put a what you call this DC to DC converter here. The output of the DC to DC converter is 12 volts. It comes from the battery. And the output is 13.8 volts. And this DC to DC converter could bring out a maximum of 25 ampere current. So the power input to the inverter is already tapped to the battery. That's the plus and minus correspondingly on the cable. Okay. The one from the battery, it goes for the input of the inverter. And the output of the inverter, it goes to the inverter. The output of the DC to DC converter, it goes to the input of the inverter. So this inverter now is ready to be operated. So I will switch it on. Okay. So as you can see it, the output voltage to the inverter is 13.8. And just in case we will be using this inverter, okay, it could deliver a maximum of 25 amperes. It's not so much, but so actually we could use this one for desktop computers or a small vacuum cleaner. Okay, I will now plug in a load here. And as you can see, this inverter is working. Okay. So I got a power source coming from the battery. So for as long as the battery is charged, even during brownout, okay, I could bring out an AC power source coming from this power inverter. Okay. The voltage of the inverter is maintained to be 13.7 because this vacuum cleaner draws a little bit of current. But the current is not so much. So actually it could maintain this one to be almost 13.8 volts. Okay. That's the significance of this DC to DC converter. It will maintain the voltage input to the inverter almost 13.8. Okay, 13.8. So as you can see, I got another power source here coming from the battery. It goes to the power DC to DC converter. Then it goes to the inverter. So whatever load you will be needing to operate, you just plug it in and it works. Okay, good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.